The time's now 9:47, and you may see sea creatures give off water when they swim to the surface of the water. Today, we're exploring buoyancy. It's an experiment with STEM Nola. We're joined by Derek O'Neill, a senior at New Orleans Math and Science Charter School, and STEM Nola staffer Lamaya Hall. We appreciate you both joining us this morning. So how are we going to show people how buoyancy works as far as sea animals' lungs are concerned?
Well, today we're going to be doing the experiment, the Cartesian diver. So first things first, you want to grab your 2-inch piece of straw,
Okay.
a jumbo paper clip, or 3 normal size paper clips.
I'm going to use the 3 normal size paper clips today to show you that it works one and the same.
Okay.
And you want a bottle of water. Make sure it's full. All right, so first things first, you want to grab your 2-inch piece of straw, and you want to fold it in half. Then you want to place the open ends of the straw on the open ends of the paper clip.
And when you're doing the 3 paper clips, you need to make sure that the paper clips are linked together so that it's kind of like a chain with your straw at the top.
So once you have your diver ready, you can open the water bottle.
Okay.
And you can place your diver inside.
So when you place your diver inside, make sure that the straw is at the top and your paper clip, or the majority of that jumbo paper clip, is hanging at the bottom.
Okay.
Now be careful when...
We have about 2 minutes left in the experiment, guys. Just want to give you an update there.
All right. So be careful when closing the water bottle. Be sure to not apply pressure to the sides of the bottle when closing the bottle, or air can get inside the bottle. Try and grab it from the top of the bottle when you close it.
And make sure you really twist that top on, because if you squeeze it, the water's going to go everywhere if that top's not on.
Okay, so once you have your diver inside and the water's closed, you can apply pressure to the sides of the bottle and your diver sinks. This is because the water inside the bottle is incompressible. And what that means is when I apply pressure to the bottle, the water inside the bottle has to go somewhere. So when I press the water bottle, the water goes to the straw, and the straw becomes heavier, which allows the diver to sink.
Okay.
So this teaches about buoyancy. So we teach the students about buoyancy and changing our buoyant force by adding a heavier weight force to it to change it from floating to sinking. So this is a great buoyancy experiment with like 3 simple materials from home, and it's actually really fun and really cool to see.
And Lamaya, you mentioned the experiments you guys always do are always with household items, but you always want to tell us too that there are ways that people can, or these kids can come out and join you to do these experiments with you in person. Where can they do that?
Definitely. If you go to stemnola.com, you can see all of our events. This week, we are actually tomorrow, some students are building their own mechanical lung and their own mechanical heart.
Oh my goodness.
And then next week, we are building chemical clocks with really cool chemistry experiments at the beginning. And then your last experiment, you'll build your own chemical clock.
Give us that website one more time if you can.
www.stemnola.com.
Lamaya and Derek, we appreciate your time, and you guys have a great weekend.
Thank you. You too.